Hello and welcome. In this video, we will work through solving the equation 4 times x plus 7 equals 15. By following a series of steps, we will be able to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. Make sure to grab a pen and paper to work alongside me as we dive into solving for the variable. Let's get started. To solve for the variable x in the equation 4 times x plus 7 equals 15, the first step is to isolate the term that contains the variable, which is 4 times x, on one side of the equation. We do this by eliminating the constant term on the same side as the variable. In this case, we need to remove the plus 7 from the left side of the equation. To remove the plus 7, we use the principle of equality, which states that whatever operation you perform on one side of the equation, you must also perform on the other side to maintain balance. Here, we will subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. The original equation is 4 times x plus 7 equals 15. When we subtract 7 from both sides, it looks like this. 4 times x plus 7 minus 7 equals 15 minus 7. On the left side, the plus 7 and the minus 7 cancel each other out, leaving us with just 4 times x. So we now have 4 times x equals 8. In this step, what we have done is simplified the equation by eliminating the constant term on the same side as the variable. Now the equation is much simpler and closer to solving for x. Next, we need to solve for the variable x by isolating it completely on one side of the equation. The simplified equation from our previous step is 4 times x equals 8. To isolate x, we need to remove the 4 that is multiplied by x. We do this by performing the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. According to the principle of equality, whatever operation we perform on one side of the equation, we must also perform on the other side to maintain the balance. So we will divide both sides of the equation by 4. This looks like 4 times x divided by 4 equals 8 divided by 4. On the left side, the 4's cancel each other out, leaving us with just x. The equation now looks like x equals 8 divided by 4. Performing the division on the right side, we get 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So x equals 2. We have now solved for the variable x. The solution to the equation 4 times x plus 7 equals 15 is x equals 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.